Yeah, I was born in Mexico, Baja California, a small town called Ensenada, where a lot of people go there and surf and have a good time. Well, I grew up as an orphan. My mom abandoned me when I was 9 months old, so it was very rough, growing up without my parents. I was always sad thinking about, what were they at? What did I do to not get their love and attention? When I was 18 years old, I crossed the border, illegal, homeless. I lived in Balboa Park in San Diego and got a job as a dishwasher in the first Mexican restaurant. And then I moved to LA. Well, I just didn't want to work a 9 to 5 job. I wanted to leave a legacy behind like Martin Luther King, Cesar Chavez, Gandhi. I wanted to create a business that was going to be able to help other people at the same time. So I started Eco Detail, which was just a regular car wash company. And I always thought about franchising. I always thought about how can I help my environment by preserving the water that my kids are going to need when they get older. How can I create more jobs with my business? And how can I protect my clients' investment, which is their car? I think the unique thing that I have created is that I've passionately devoted 8 years of my life educating myself in nanotechnology, paint correction, coatings, neuromarketing, social media, and really listening to the consumer with complaints from other body shops, dealerships, and auto detailers. So I listen to their needs and I apply that into our paint correction system. Well, someone that's getting into auto detailing or that is detailing cars and wants to be more successful, I would say you have two options. You can either partner up with us and make more money instantly, or I can guide you and tell you what products to research test so that way you can, do it on your own, which I think number one is the smartest way to go.